Okay guys, so today we're going to do the science experiment that's on page 217 of your science book. So the first step is to take a bowl, fill it with water, and put some ice in there. And let it sit for 5 minutes. Now mine has already been sitting for 5 minutes. Okay, you're going to take a slotted spoon, and of course I have flamingo bowls, and you're going to take the ice out of the bowl. These two are done and you can set it aside. Okay? Next step is you're going to place your fingers in the cup and record your observations. Hold it in there for about a minute. Ooh, or 30 seconds because it's really, really cold. Okay, that wasn't 30 seconds, but it's cold. You try it. All right, so I would write down that my observation are that it feels very cold and I couldn't make it 30 seconds. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to use either petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline, or you're going to use vegetable shortening. This your mom probably has in the cabinet. This might be in the medicine cabinet. I'm going to use shortening. You are going to put a thick layer of shortening on your fingers. And you want to make sure you get it, so gross, all over your fingers. The top of your fingers, the sides of your fingers, this is super nasty, all over your fingers. The shortening is supposed to represent the blubber of a sea lion because a blubber is an adaptation that Arctic creatures have so that they can survive in the cold Arctic waters. So we are recreating that. This is disgusting and super gross. Okay, so I put some blubber on my fingers. Now you want to make sure it's a nice thick layer. Okay, and I'm going to take my blubber fingers and I am going to then put them into the water. Oh, it works! And I'm going to record my observations. Now with the blubber, I can keep my fingers in the water longer. You notice I'm not being a big baby about it because the petroleum jelly, or the shortening, is acting as the blubber and it's protecting my skin from feeling that cold temperature. Now you get to do the experiment and make sure you have some wipes or something handy to get all this nastiness off your fingers. Don't forget to watch the video that was posted with this and to do the Google questions online. Have a good one, guys. Happy Wednesday.